Hello families, I greet you. This is Abraham once again to update you about the fence wall. We were here on this project for some time. We took break because we were waiting for the welder to fix the burglar proof or the wall design before we continue with this place. So we've come and complete the work. So I just want to update you about the full work. Let's see. So there is a complete work. The full video fits. You can see how nice the place is. And we also had the chance to do this design on, let me say, the small building. That's the guest house, yeah. And then the garage as well. So you can see we put some design around it. See the corner mode as we work in. The painter is also painting speedily. So here we go. You can see our work. And then the design. See how neatly it is. It's so amazing. So the painter on the end to do a different job. As you can see yourself, they're so amazing. Yeah, this is the old project, so just showing you an update, yeah, so that you can see what the exact project that we've worked on, and we are back on it again. You can see. At the first phase, we did the window and then the coping of this building. Yeah. Hello families, we're great to you. This is G.P.G production. Abraham, the wall and window design. We are here to show you an update of a parapet or coping design. Yeah, and we are doing the beam dressing as well too. So this is the final part and I just want to share with you. Yeah.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small.
Yeah, so there is the front view. You can see how amazing the work is. Very nice. Looks so cute. When I was at the valley side, I actually can't get the view correctly. But now that I'm on the top of the mountain, you can see how nice it looks. Very amazing. Anyhow you want your design, anywhere in Ghana, we are there. We'll deliver. G.P.G production, always the best. If it's not G.P.G, forget about it. Yeah.
So that was Abraham for you with the updates of this project that he has been working on. If you really like what you see and you want to work with him, that was his number on the screen. You can get in touch with him directly. If you want to see more of his work, you go to my playlist called the Windows and Door Design. You will see the amazing works he has been doing here on the channel. So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next episode. Leke. do it.